What is happening, guys? Stephen Vargo here with Vargo Custom Living again. We're going to do another how-to episode here. You guys ready for this one? Doorknobs, door handles, they're all the same thing. We're going to teach you guys how to put them on today. They're fairly simple and easy, but for people who don't know how to do it or just want to walk through it step by step, here we go. Let's get into it. This one's quick and easy today. Let's do it. Here we go. Step number one. See this? This is adjust your size of your door. If it's bigger or smaller, for the center of this pin, we are the smaller size door, so we are going in there. We're going to rip off our plastic. Bam, done. This right here is the latch that goes into the door. Make sure you have that going the right way. Alright, step number two. Installing this portion. That slides out of there. Goes right into that. Line your holes up. That's through. This side, put your pin in and line that up. Perfect. Step three, right over here to the strike plate for the door. Let's get that set in. We are on the road. We're out of here. We're done. Let's shut the door and test the strike plate. Make sure lined up dead center. Just like that, we're done. Strike plate installed. Door handle installed. Just make sure she functions properly. Ooh, look at that. Nice and latch. Make sure it locks. Nice, nice. We are done. Alright everybody, we are done. We are wrapped up with this door handle. Now we got 9 other of them to do, so we're going to move on. We're going to continue that for the rest of the day. And we will continue to see you in the next how-to video. So if you guys got any questions or comments, please put them down in the comments below. And I'll get back to you as soon as possible. Until next time. Later, guys. Thanks for watching.